What do you think? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have a new idea. I have this computer underneath my desk, the chum bucket computer, and it keeps hitting my knee. I'm getting tired of it. So, I have a new idea. This piece of MDF from work is supposed to go to a cabinet, but what I'm going to do with it is literally build the computer onto the piece of wood and install it underneath the desk. What do you think? Nope. It's going to be pretty cool. First things first, I got to remove the dowels from the board, and I got to fix my two tripods. These got to go. I'm just going to cut them off or pull them out because they're glued in. This guy, the iPod, can't hold up the phone anymore because of this little cheap little gimbal thing here. As soon as I put the phone in, it just immediately drops over. So I'm probably going to just fix that thing permanent or something. And then this tripod, the old one, this thing is too tall. The threads are too tall for the bottom of this tripod. So if I screw this portion into that, it wobbles around. So what I'm going to do is file this thing down until it matches what I need. So that's the first part of the project. See, it's screwed in all the way, but there's still just enough room. And I don't have anything that would be like a washer that would work. Need more power. Pretty good, but I think we need a little bit more. Damn it! There we go. Now it doesn't move. Almost like I knew what I was doing. It wouldn't be right to not use jiggy weld. Got something different I'll try. Much faster. I have these nice clean ends. Not that it's going to matter, because no one's going to see it. But now we got to do something about this brown. There's one other thing that I can't quite get yet. I'm going to make it to where I can attach the entire board underneath the desk in one unit. So it'll like plug in and then I can like latch it. So it's going to be kind of like a toolbox latch or something, or even maybe like a gate lock. And I can just put it up there and lock it, and then it's there and I don't have to screw everything to the desk. That's what the board's for. So that's going to be like one of the last things I do. Now it's time to tear down the PC and attach it to the board. First thing I'm going to do is start unplugging all these power connectors and start getting this thing taken apart. So now the hard part is to line out all this hardware on that board and make it fit. It doesn't have to look good, but it should be functional. And then figure out how to attach it underneath. So this is going to be pretty cool. So I picked up the lock for the underdesk PC. It was like $4. Do you like it? Is it a good choice? You don't care. You never care. You never care. Why don't you care? All right, let's get to this. This is gonna go like that. So I can just so what I'm gonna do is take this little gold screw that's actually smaller than the standoff thread, a different type of thread, but I can drill a hole with it, and then I can insert the standoff into that. And if I have to, I can always glue it. Why do I always have to do things the hard way? That's what I don't understand. Gave up and used the Dremel. Some clean. I had to change the orientation of the hard drives because the cheap power supplies cords wouldn't reach. So now I changed it to look like this. And also I solved the main problem with my GPU. Cut the little tabs off the bottom. So now it's actually going to fit. So like in any case, the tabs would go through to the back of the case. And now, when I plug it in, it goes right into the slot like normal. Doesn't interfere with the actual board down there. So then I also have a solution. I need some sort of mounting bracket. So I have these two pieces of wood. So what I'm going to do is paint them and then make some sort of little bracket like that that holds it right in. I gotta see if this thing will boot. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now. I got it hooked up, power hooked up. I've got my HDMI running back under the table to the big screen. Let's see what happens. We're on. We've got power. Jump the power. So I don't have the power switch yet. I think it's one of these. Here. Yep. Three deeps for this board is usually RAM, so I'm going to remove a couple sticks and we'll see what it does then. Blue or black. There we go, no warning code. Board usually does that. Yep. Size decrease. Yep, we don't care. Booting into Windows. Alright, looks like it's a success. Let's see what happens once we get to the desktop. So here's my little stand for the GPU. Move it down. Let's get it painted. Right in the middle of this. Since this computer hasn't been turned on in a while, since the liquid metal, yeah, I gotta wait for it to update. First world problem, right? Alright, the GPU support is in. I used a little bit of double stick tape on top of the GPU, so this guy is not going anywhere. It's a really light GPU anyway, so between the actual PCI lock and that, I don't think it's going anywhere. And I'm still waiting for this to complete. I need to get an SSD in this thing so bad. A little bit of flare there.
5 minutes later.
So me and Edna are hanging out, enjoying this nice Sunday afternoon, working on this computer. And one of these hard drives just died. Listen to that. I guess that's the way it goes. Finally restarting. It's only been like 6 hours. While I've been waiting, I attached my support there for my gate lock. And this guy coming down through the top is going to be the other support. So it's going to slot in there and lock in here. If my measurements are correct, it's going to work. I completely missed the fact that there's already pre-drilled holes in this side. So I guess if I have to, I can switch everything up and just put the lock there. The updates are done. I got my latch in. I got it slotted in on this side. And it's just about done. Not very much room under here, but I got it in. Probably gonna secure it anyways, but it worked. Now, just gotta get it back on and see if Windows ever finishes updating. Boot into Windows. Just have to route a few cables. Like this one, I'll have to figure out how to get that, but that don't matter. What matters is this little thing. Of course, all the carnage left behind. 2 days of insanity. And that. So I don't have a power drill, doing everything by hand. Because why not? So, after 2 days of work, it's finally done. It works. Fairly pleased with it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it now that it's down there, but anyways, if you like the video, you know what to do. Hit that thumb. I don't care which one. Doesn't matter. Nobody hits them anyways, so oh well. If you made it this far, then yeah, thank you. That's a long video. Took a long time to make. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. It's only a joke that Paul's Hardware would get. Hey Paul, my PC's on the ground. Oh wait.